In front of me is Honor 9X Pro, and let me show you how to block a number on this device. So at first, just open your phone dialer, then tap on More icon and select Blocked. And here you can smoothly set up some blocked rules, so you can pick call block rules and also messages block rules. To do it, just mark each of them, and at first you can block all uncommon colors just by tapping on the switcher. You can block strangers only and block private withheld numbers. That's it. Then let's go back. Messages, block rules are working the same way. Smoothly tap here and you have the ability to block all strangers here just by tapping. So this is it. This is how you can activate call blocker in your Honor 9X Pro. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.